everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to have a look around a Persimmon show home which is based in Norfolk. This is going to be the Newton show home, which is on White Rose Park, and it is a 3-storey 5-bedroom property. I've already had a little sneak peek around and oh my, this house is designed to perfection. Whoever Persimmon had as their interior designer here has done a super job, and I'm sure you're all gonna love it. So we're gonna have a look around, we're gonna chat through the decor, we're gonna check out each room, we're gonna discuss the space and see if it's practical really. I'm very excited to share this with you because it's so nice. Anyway, let's start from the outside, take a look at how the house looks from the road, and then come in and have a really good snoop round. I hope you enjoy it. So this is the Persimmon Newton house type. It is a 5-bedroom property over 3 floors. This is on the development White Rose Park in Norfolk, and we're going to go inside now and take a look. So as you come in, you've got a very nice and airy hallway, and it leads off with 3 doors into a dining room, a sitting room, and then a large kitchen diner. So let's go in here first and have a look around. So it's quite a big space actually. You've got a really lovely kitchen over here with a breakfast bar, and this is all finished probably top spec from Persimmon's Finishing Touches range. It's got a sort of like a marble effect. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the finish on that with the shaker cabinets. Yeah, that looks lovely, in the wine cooler. And then you've got a inbuilt fridge freezer as well. And it leads off into a very good sized utility room with your boiler tucked away in that cupboard, and a back door which leads you out onto the garden, and some extra cupboard storage. And then from the kitchen sink you can see out into the garden, which is quite nice actually. It's not massively overlooked. And then it's got what will be a garage over there, but currently is the sales office. And there is also a cupboard here. So it's just a storage cupboard, they're just using it for storage at the moment, which is handy. Definitely off your kitchen, you could keep all of your hoover and mop and bucket and all the things that you need inside there, your ironing board and such like. So this is lovely, look how nice this is. It's a really good space, enough space to entertain if you're having a dinner party, but also, you know, you've got some space at the end, guests can relax while you're in the kitchen cooking and prepping, or yeah, it's really nice, and it's been designed just to my taste, if I'm honest. This is exactly how I would have my own home. It's very lovely. So if we go out of here and let's go across the hallway, we have then got a very spacious dining room. Oh, lovely. Look at these candle pillars. It's got a nice big wall there. Beautiful light fitting. Yeah, how gorgeous is that? Oh wow, yeah, love this, it's so nice. So this is a really big table for this room actually. It's got six seats, and they're very large chairs as well, so this is a fantastic room. So you don't necessarily have to use it as a dining room because you have actually got the space in your kitchen diner, but so it could also be used as a study or even as a playroom or something like that. But yeah, what a beautiful space. And then if we go in here, this is then going to be your living room area, which again is just finished so beautifully. Oh my, absolutely love it. Look at the prints on the wall. They look familiar, definitely seen them before somewhere. How beautiful is that? The carpet as well is so squishy and soft. This is a really good space, and with the double doors as well that go out onto the garden. It's very nice indeed. Let's turn around and have a look from the other way. Beautiful. So it looks like they've got a kind of 3-seater sofa and then a 2-seater over there. So there's a good amount of space, and then obviously you'd have to think about where you were going to have your TV unit. It kind of looks like the plugs are all down there. But it's a really, really good room and so beautifully designed as well. Very nice. So if we then go out of this room and across the hall, you've got your downstairs loo. Let's have a little look in here. Okay, so you've got just your toilets and then enough space there on the wall, and your sink is against the wall there. Yeah, really good size. Lovely little loo. So next up, we're going to head up the stairs and see what's going on up there. So as I said, outside, this is a 3-story home with 5 bedrooms. So it's a really, really big house. And it's just done so nicely. I'm loving this on the stairs here. How nice is that? So as you come up the stairs, you can see the stairs, the next floor there. So pretty. Okay. Oh, wowee. This is beautiful. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms on this floor, and then you're going to have your master bedroom upstairs, I would imagine. You've also got a family bathroom here too, and again, all these rooms are finished to a very nice standard. So let's come up the stairs, take a turning on the left, and go into this first bedroom, which is done in a very tasteful man vibe, I'd have to say. I think my other half would absolutely love this room. It's got golf clubs on the walls and everything else is very, very manly. It looks so nice. There we go. And it's got a nice inbuilt wardrobe there, going all the way up to the ceiling, lots of mirrors. It's such a good size. Very good space. Got a nice double bed. So yeah, fantastic room. And then if we go into the next room, this is a little nursery. Again though, this is a very good size too. I don't think you could quite fit a double in here, but you could definitely fit a single, but they've put it as a nursery, and it's very beautifully decorated with the polar bears and all the furniture. And again, it's got a nice double wardrobe. Really good size. You can hang lots of clothes in there. And some very nice furniture, and this super luxurious soft carpet again. Very, very nice. Okay, so if we go along, we'll come back to the bathroom. So if we go along, we've then got another bedroom. Now, I know a little girl who would adore this room. It is lovely. I love it myself. So this is another double bedroom, and it's got a horse theme in here. It's so pretty. It's a very good size. There's not a huge amount of room to play as a child, so I'd probably put a single bed in here if I was going to use it for a small child. But as a room in itself and its decoration, it looks fantastic. Look at that horse picture. Oh wow. It's a very teenage girl's bedroom, I think, but that light fitting up there is beautiful, as is the wallpaper there. Very, very nice indeed. Okay, so this is then, I don't think this is the master bedroom. This is probably more like a guest bedroom or just your 4th bedroom. It's a very, very big room, and it has its own ensuite too. So it's again designed superbly. Their interior designer has done a great job in here. It's got some lovely sculpture on the window there. And if we come over here, we can see it a little bit better. Lovely large headboard, lots of inbuilt cupboards. Very nice room. Yeah, loads of space as well. You could fit your dressing table across here if you needed one, and some extras, like maybe some more drawers and stuff. They've got a little drawer unit there, but you could have more drawers across there. But it's a very, very nice room. Really good. And it has, like I said, it has its own ensuite with a rather large shower. It's definitely larger than mine, which looks great. I'm loving the tile effect, and it's half tiled all the way around with a sort of dark grey floor. Yeah, really good space in there. And yeah, if we now go back out to the family bathroom, we can just have a little look in there. So this is the family bathroom with your shower over your bath. It's got a lovely mirror on the wall there. Wow. So that looks really good. It's got a nice tall towel radiator, really good size again. Lots of room in there for someone to sort of be brushing their teeth, or 2 or 3 people to be brushing their teeth. Enough space for the whole family. Yeah, really nice. And the dark tiles make it look super stylish. So then on this floor you have a door, and this door is going to lead us up, I would imagine, onto the top floor, like master bedroom area. So you can feel already it's so much lighter and brighter because of the windows at the top. Oh wow, how gorgeous is this? Absolutely beautiful. Loads of prints in here. I've definitely seen them before from a certain company, but yeah, their interior designer has absolutely smashed it. It looks fantastic. Really, really good. So let's turn around. So this is the upstairs master bedroom. Look at that. It is ginormous. You've got enough space in here to do your yoga in the morning, shall we say. It's got a massive bed. It looks like it's it's a super king, I guess, with beautiful wallpaper. It's done so elegantly. That wallpaper is beautiful, and the lamps are just something else. And then it has these really lovely windows. It has them both sides, and then it has a Velux in the middle, and it's got 2 rather large light fittings, and it just looks like this. Look at the size of this room. Oh my gosh, wow. You know, you wouldn't have to necessarily use this as a bedroom if you didn't need it to be one. It could be something else. You could maybe use it as a gym or whatever you wanted, but it's just huge. I can't get over the size of this room. Oh my. And it's got loads of lovely wardrobe space as well, which is all inbuilt into the... Wow, look at that. Oh yeah, I need some of this in my life at home. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. What a room. So, so nice. And then of course it also has its own ensuite. And this again actually has its own bath in it, and a shower, and then a sink and a loo. Oh, fantastic. And a lovely, really light and bright window. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful room. There we have it. We've had a really good look around the property. I hope you all agree with me that I think that it's been designed so beautifully, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, because there's going to be lots more show home tours and home related ideas coming up on my channel over the next couple of weeks. So yeah, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. See you all later. Bye.